When it comes to creating show-stopping costume armor, the details are what truly bring your vision to life. Whether you're a cosplayer, a Halloween enthusiast, or a prop maker, adding intricate engravings like runes, mystical symbols, or skeletal motifs can transform simple foam or plastic armor into a masterpiece of spooky artistry. That's where our USA-made Carbide burr die grinder tool bits come in. A must-have for anyone eager to etch unique designs with precision and ease. Carbide burr die grinder bits are renowned for their durability, sharpness, and precision. Crafted right here in the USA, our tool bits are designed to maintain their edge even after extended use, making them perfect for detailed work on a variety of materials. When you're working with costume armor made from EVA foam, Warbler, PVC, or thermoplastics, a fine-point carbide burr allows you to engrave intricate patterns without tearing or melting the material. To begin, make sure your armor piece is clean and securely positioned. Safety is key, so wear protective eyewear and a dust mask, as engraving can create fine debris. Select a fine-point carbide burr from your die grinder set. This tip offers the control needed to create sharp lines and tiny details. Secure the burr in your die grinder, ensuring a snug fit for optimal performance. Before you start on your main piece, it's a good idea to test the tool on a scrap section of your material. This allows you to get a feel for the speed and pressure required. Our carbide burrs are engineered to cut smoothly, so you don't need to force the tool. Let the sharp edges do the work for you. For foam armor, use a gentle touch. For harder plastics, you can apply slightly more pressure. Now, sketch your design onto the armor using a fine-tipped marker or chalk. Popular spooky motifs include ancient runes, jagged cracks, skull shapes, or even eerie stylized bones. With your pattern in place, slowly trace over the lines using the carbide burr. Move the tool steadily and don't rush. The sharp point will glide through foam or carve into plastic with remarkable accuracy. You'll notice that the burr creates clean grooves, making even the most intricate designs pop. If you're engraving runes or symbols, consider varying the depth and width of your lines for dramatic effect. For skeletal motifs, use the burr to carve out eye sockets, teeth, or bone textures, adding realism and dimension. The precision of our carbide bits lets you create crisp, defined edges that stand out, especially after painting or weathering your armor. Once your engraving is complete, gently brush away any loose debris. You can enhance the effect by painting inside the grooves with dark acrylics or metallic paints, which helps your design stand out even more under Halloween lights. Sealing the armor with a clear coat will help protect your work and give it a polished finish. The possibilities are endless when you have the right tools. Our USA-made carbide burr die grinder bits aren't just for metalworking. They're the secret weapon for any crafter looking to create custom, professional quality costume armor. Whether you're preparing for a haunted house, a cosplay convention, or the ultimate Halloween party, these tool bits make it easy to engrave designs that will turn heads and spark conversations. If you found this guide helpful and want more tips on crafting, engraving, and building incredible costume pieces, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We love seeing your creations, so be sure to leave your Halloween comments below. Let us know what spooky designs you're planning to carve this year, and share your own tips and tricks for working with foam and plastic armor. Happy haunting and happy engraving.